Hello, and welcome to my video for coursework 1 for CMT 3329. What you're currently viewing is an interactive animation display which I created on Photoshop and then merged with processing and Arduino. The animation is powered once you blow into the microphone, which is connected to the Arduino. The components needed for this project are an Arduino Uno, a USB cable, male-to-male jumper wires, a microphone, and of course you'll need a computer. What you are now currently viewing is a sketch which I made on Fritzing, which shows the layout of all the components once they are connected. As you can see, on the right hand side the first wire is connected to the 0 analog port, the second wire is connected to the ground port, and the third one is connected to the 5-volt port. If you wish to add more components to this project, you can use a breadboard. However, if you directly solder the jumper wires to the microphone, then this project will be enough to run smoothly. The microphone is a high sensitivity microphone which is powered by the 5-volt DC power supply. Now, let's have a look at some Arduino and processing codes. What you're now currently viewing is an Arduino code which I modified, which was originally to control a potentiometer. The first bit of code here simply communicates with the analog port. Down here, the sensor value were new values which I had to put in to make sure that once the microphone was blown into, it would work. The Arduino has a circuit inside called an analog to digital converter that reads the change in voltage and converts it to a number from 0 to 1023. To find out what I needed to run a test in the serial monitor. Let's go over to some processing codes now. The first part over here creates an array of images that will hold. Just under it, this part of the code will set the variable for each frame to control each image which is displayed. And finally, down here, the last bit of code is a function which is used to convert the character received from the serial port. It also converts it to a number. Well, that's it for today's video, and I hope you found it interesting and insightful. And until next time, goodbye.